So hello guys, we are here and we have a new topic, and that is orthographic projection. So here we will discuss about the isometric projection of this already constructed object. So in previous video I will discuss uh, the problem on the orthographic projection. So before this video I discuss all the important topics or important problems, and here we discuss the conversion of orthographic projection into isometric projection. So on the screen there are three views which we already seen, and now we have go for the construction of isometric projection. So according to the rule of the isometric projection, we want to take the 30 degree angle from the both sides, both ends. So here start with the this 30 degree angle. So here we use a pencil. So one so now let's start. So we first we tick the 30 degree angle from both ends. Sorry, one second. This is the correct angle. So now, so this is 30 degree, and again this is a 30 degree angle. So next, first we see the rule, or we understand the complete rule of the isometric projection and the angle which we use for making this isometric projection. So here again we use the first angle projection method. So according to the first angle projection method, the left hand side view is drawn to the right hand side, and right hand side view is drawn to the left hand side. So here we take the three main dimensions. So starting from here, so three main dimensions are length, height and width. So what is length? So here you all seen this is the front view and this is top view. So this line and this line are the length. So the maximum length is the total length is 100 mm, again 50, 25, 25. So this is your 100 mm. And what about the height? So height is seen from the side view and the front view. So maximum height is, now let us see. So here this is 25 and this was 50, again I put 50 mm. So total height is 75 mm. And now talk about the width. So here the width is 38, where we see the width, this is totally seen from the side view and the top view. So this and this, so the side view. So 38 plus 25, that means 63 is the total width. Now start with the two basic lines, and that is length and width. So again don't confuse with the procedure. According to first angle projection method, the left hand, this is your right side view because this is drawn to the left. So that is according to first angle projection method, this is a right side view. So it is again drawn from the right side when we constructed the isometric projection. So this side, from this side, this is your side view, okay, and this was your this is your front view. Now what appears from the front? So length and height. So here we start draw the length, and from this side we start the width, because side width and height is seen, and from the front view length and height is seen. So start from here. Now let's start. So draw the total length, total width is 63, and the side view is total appear like this. So here you draw 63 mm long line like this, and from this side one need to draw a 100 mm long line to already marking with the 30 degree angle. So just stick with this. So this line appears, and now from what we start with the height. So firstly we constructed a complete box. So what about the height? So the height is 75 mm, and now start from here. Here the height is 75 mm, so we draw the 75 mm height. Okay, now from here we again draw the 75 mm height, but it is lighter. Okay, now again we complete this line parallel and join these two heights of 75 mm, and again from this side we draw again a height of 75 mm. Then from putting the MD parallel to it, and from here now we again draw a 100 mm line like this, and again like this, and now make join these two line. So here it is a overview, that is it is a area where which draw this which isometric projection. So now start from here. We first start to draw with the side view. So from the side view what we have seen, so again this is a 63 mm line, this is a total 63 mm long line. So here and this is 12 mm from this side, and again this is 12 from this side. So from both the side we take 12 mm line. One second. So 12 mm, and now from this side we again draw the 12 mm. So you all are using HB pencil for this. So normal start with here, and now from the middle this is having this is have a gap, and what is the gap? It is 9 mm. So here we draw a 9 mm line from towards the upper side like this, and now again from here like this, and make this line and join these two parallel to this. So this is starting again, we see. So here we remove this line. Okay, so this was okay. Now from what then, the total height is 75 mm, so we already got 75 mm. Now what about this? So this is 19 mm. So again this is a 19 mm, because you already seen here this is total 38 mm. So again I put this dimension here 19. So this is total 38 mm. So from this, that means from here we draw this side line of 38 mm. So draw it like this. Now what we see, that is line is totally drawn. To we complete this line to draw below from here. So what is the distance, how much below this line? So it is clearly seen that is a 50 mm below from this. So putting the MD parallel to 8 and take the dimension below 50 mm from here. So that is 50 mm. Now what you seen like this, and complete this. So what about this height? This is a 25 mm. So start the 25 mm from here like this, and make these two lines, join these two points with a single line like this. So this is not extra part, it is already drawn till this end, not here. So this is your side view, and this is already clearly you seen here. Now we talk about the front view. So here uh, uh, one second, we start with the top view, because what appears from the top, so like this. So just this is 38. So now this is again 38, and now what is this? This is parallel to length, and what is the distance distance of it? So this is 25 mm from both the ends. So putting the MD parallel to it like this, and from here make 25 mm line from both the end like this. Okay, and now what is this? Is parallel to width. So this is your width side, and this is also your width side. What about the length? So this is going inside of about 19 mm. How to know that is 19 mm? So from the dimension, this is 19 and 19. Again, one second. This is 19 mm inside, because this is 19 mm inside. So here we draw 19 mm parallel to it from here like this, and again from here like this and make these 2 points with join these 2 points with a single line, and it looks like that. So this is completely appears from the top view. Now again we complete the front view of according to this line. So from the front view what we see, so from the top, that means here 25, again we have drawn 25 mm. Now we need to move this line 50 mm below and parallel to the height. So this was height. Now what about this length? So this is your 30 degree, again 38 mm, again we are not making a dimension here, so here this is your 38 mm. So now from here we draw 38 mm line below from it. So starting with the 12 mm, so 11, 10 and 19, and this was your 38 mm. Okay, now from here we again draw the 38 mm. So 5, and this is your 88. So complete. Now remove this, erase this line. Now what, this line appears from the front, so joining these two lines, and which is already seen from the top view like this. So again joining these two lines like this. Okay, now it is 50 mm. So again same to same line again draw from this side. So again this is your 50 mm. So here this is your 50 mm. Okay, and now this was again same, so parallel to it, parallel to width side, line joining here. Okay, and this was again your 25 mm. Okay, now what, from this side this is your 100 mm complete. And what about this? So this was 32 mm, 32 mm, 32, 32 from both the end. We make a dimension, we take a point from both the end of about 32 mm. So this was your 32 mm, this is your 32 mm, and this is your again 32 mm, and this line and this line are parallel to it, and it is same as a height, that is a 25 mm. So according to this parallel the MD with this line, and from here we again draw a 25 mm long line to the upward side like this, and again from here again a 25 mm line, so 1, 2 and 25, and make this line, make all 4 lines with a single line. Okay, according to this length like this. Okay, here is gap, so here I show a gap. Now from the top view this box was complete. Okay, so I need to complete. So what about this? So this was again 25 mm and parallel to it. So from here that is 25 mm, again from here that is 25 mm, make all 4 lines with a single line. I'm putting the MD parallel to it, and here we draw this line like this. Okay, so from the top view this is complete like that, and from the top view we haven't seen like this anything from here, so we make this. So how about, so putting the line parallel to it, and again it is a 38 mm from here. So starting with 12, this is till here, and make this line, make this is like parallel to it like this. Okay, and make again a parallel line or like this, and start join from here. So this is look like that, and now we see this from the top view. So this is like this. Okay, so again erase all the extra lines. Okay, now we, one second, I complete a box. Now what about this? So again we need to draw like that, because all these sides are exactly same. So here again fix MD parallel to it, and from here what about this is 12 mm, so again we draw 12 mm. Okay, and what about this? So this is your 9 mm, so parallel to it again here 9 mm, this is 9 mm. Now putting the MB parallel to it, we need to draw a line like this, and again parallel to height we join these two with a single line. So these the both sides are exactly looking same. And what about this line? And here we see a solid line, this is a dotted line, so we have no doubt, we can't show this line here. So what it is a 9 mm, so make this line like this, start a fix a line MD parallel to your length side, and now from here draw a line like this, and this is complete scene like this. And now what, 1 second, this is again from here we need to draw a parallel line, so fix the MD like this, and from here we draw a line like this. So this is your complete projection of, this is the complete projection of your, yeah, this is your complete isometric projection of this orthographic views. So you all are seeing clear right now, and I make a dimension for this. So firstly we make a dimension, so now the basic dimension is, that is your 12 mm, 12 mm, 12 mm, and here this the line is parallel to, so all the dimension line parallel to the edges or parallel to the all three types of lines, that means length, height and width. So this, and now 1 second, from here again mark this, and now when we make a dimension for length, then this is parallel to this here, this line, so this is your 100 mm line, and putting this also, this was 32 mm, 32 mm, and from here these two ends are 12 mm, and this total is 63 mm. So first putting the dimension here, so let's start making a dimension line, so like this, and you need to draw, that is the H pencil. So this is your 63 mm, that is the width, and now what is this is 12 mm, and again this is 12 mm. Now what about the length? So in the front view this is totally 100 mm, okay, 50, yeah, that like this, again here 50, 25, 25, so 100 mm, and this is your 32, 32, these are the 32 mm, this is the 32 mm like this, and this, so this is your 32 mm, again this is your 32 mm. Now talk about the height, so you draw this line parallel to it like this, like from here, and again draw the line like this, because it is a 9 mm line. So firstly we we show the maximum value of the height, so this was your, how much, this was your 75 mm long line, 75 mm long line, and this dimension is 9 mm, okay. Now from the upper side we make a dimension, so make an extension line, again this extension line, and draw MD parallel to it, and making a dimension, that is 25 mm, from middle it was 50 mm, so putting, so this was 50 mm, and this is your 25 mm. Now from this side, moving on this side, so again extend this line, and again this line, and no need to do like that, and need to this, and need to this. So firstly the initial height was 25 mm, so that is initial height, and it is 25 mm. Now what is this, is this, okay, or this, and what about this? So this is your complete a 38 mm, 38 mm long line, 38 mm, and what about this? So this is your 19 mm, remember this is your 19 mm, so mark anywhere. And now one more dimension are left, so that is, this was the 38 mm again, so like this 38 mm. Now this diagram is complete and with the full dimension. I will show you the particular views from the different types of pencil. So just wait for this. So side view are look like this, and what the meaning of this dotted line? So the meaning of dotted line is here, this, because when we see this object from here, this inner side of 19 mm long line are not appears. So for this we make a dotted line, so like this, and again what is it, this is 38 mm, so like this, and parallel to it, and this like this. So this line are the hidden line. And what is this hidden line, meaning of this hidden line? So this is the meaning of this hidden line, because this is again not showing from the side view. So this is your side view, and now we complete the front view from filling this view of any pencil, by any pencil. So let's watch. And this green line, so your front view. So this box is this, and this box is this, and this horizontal hollow shape is like this. So complete. And here, 1 second, this is again show. So this and this color shows your front view, and this is solid line, and this line is missing from this side, because like this solid line, the back side same line is having a same line, but this that is not appear from the clear eye, so we make a hidden line for this. So this is, and this is a hidden line. You can say, 1 second, I show you this, putting a line parallel to it like this, and draw parallel to it like this. Again from here, this is line parallel to it, and now this. So this is the dotted line, and this line appears here. So this is complete. And one more last, this is the top view. So I show the top view with the other pen. This shows the complete, this color shows your this view, that means side view, and this green color shows your front view, and this red color shows your top view. So I hope guys you really like this, and please subscribe my channel if you really enjoying. So thank you.